Hey everyone, Set It Are You Cars. This is our 2010 Alfa Romeo Giulietta. It's a 1.4 multi-air, 170 bhp model. It's finished in Etna black, which has got the purple hue to it in the sun, really nice colour. It's done 63,000 miles, 8 services and just 2 owners. It is a lovely example. It does drive without fault. It's got the 18-inch 5-hole alloys with the Brembo brakes, which have all been recently refurbished. It's just had brake pads all round, full service, cam belt. Really is a nice example. Unfortunately, the artificial light in our photo booths don't do colours like this justice, but when you see this in the sun, it's fantastic. It's got the rear parking sensors. You've got your reg number there for any checks that you wish to carry out. Absolutely cracking. Really good little engine in these, very reliable, good on fuel, fantastic performance. They are of course ULEZ as well. Got the LED DRLs. Yeah, very pretty car and a great alternative to an Audi A3 or a Golf. Inside this one's got the black leather and cloth with the red stitch, but we'll show you that in a second. We'll just show you in the boot. Good sized boot, all very clean and tidy with the split folding rear seats. And you do get a spare wheel, all your toolkit etc. is there present. As I mentioned, you've got the part leather with the cloth and the red stitch, with the Isofix in the back as well. Rear electric windows too. Again, really nice. This one is a Veloce model, so it is well spec'd from factory, but it has got a couple of nice options. You can see the Alfa Romeo logo embossed there in the seats. It's got the armrest in the centre. Got your dual climate control, which is all icy cold, but we'll show you that in a second. Let's just start her up so you can see there's no warnings. So there you go, 63,293 on the miles. There are no warnings, just your fuel light. Oh, number plate like that, there you go. We'll get that changed, don't panic about that, we can sort that. You may have or may have not noticed it has got Blue and Me as well. So it's got Bluetooth. I do believe there's stream audio as well. Six-speed manual. Got your DNA function down here, so dynamic, normal, and all weather. I think A stands for. Yeah, there you go, all weather. But yeah, really lively car when in dynamic mode, and that's about it. Give us a call, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.